Hi everyone, my name is Damien and I'm the bar manager at Raffles Hotel Singapore. The Singapore Sling is our Singapore's national cocktail. I love this drink in particular because of its rich heritage and tropical flavors. So let's get started and I'll show you how to make the Singapore Sling. So first we're going to chill our glass. Next we're going to add 30 ml of Regis London Dry Gin. This will go into our mixing glass. 10 ml of sherry liqueur. $10 ml of dry curacao. $10 ml of Dom Benedictine. So Dom Benedictine is basically very beneficial for our health and it is full of herbs and spices aroma. We're going to add in 10 ml of our exclusive grenadine syrup. The grenadine syrup itself is 100% pomegranate as well as all natural. We will add 60 ml of fresh pineapple juice. 22.5 ml of our freshly lime juice. A dash of our exclusive Scrappy's Plantation Bitters. So this is basically made specially just for Raffles Hotel Singapore. 1 dash to it. We will then add about 4 to 5 cubes of our ice. Mix the mixing glass and give a shake about 12 seconds. Strain. Garnish with maraschino cherry as well as a slice of pineapple. Straw. And there you have it, our iconic Raffles Singapore Sling.